The next step is
sharp, rotating blades to clean.
The seedless papayas enter the gentle rinse tunnel.
The mixed variant is precisely dispensed into these distinct, color-coded.
Hello, we are ready for the harvest. Please confirm the truck's arrival time for the papaya shipment.
The process begins with a meticulous inspection in the orchard, ensuring only the highest quality fruit is selected for harvest.
Our harvesting team works quickly and carefully, ensuring each ripe papaya is perfectly cut from the stem before.
The first step in the cold chain is pre-cooling the transport. The dispatch team ensures the truck reaches the set temperature before loading begins. Inside a modern papaya factory, from farm to dessert tailored, the whole process. The automated peeling machine uses sharp, rotating blades to cleanly remove the skin, revealing the vibrant orange flesh underneath.
The halved papayas now enter the seed removal stage, where vibrating brushes efficiently separate the black seeds from the vibrant flesh.
Let's increase the speed to 800 RPM.
Confirmed. The slicing is much faster now.
It looks like batch 4B is getting consistent feedback regarding texture. We need to adjust the mixing time.
Understood. I'll update the parameters now.
Next, the papaya halves are transformed into perfect cubes by the precision multi-blade cutter before moving to the conveyor.
After blanching, the papaya cubes enter the cooling tunnel, where high-pressure water jets rapidly reduce their temperature before moving to dessert preparation.
After dicing, the fruit is evenly spread to ensure perfect quality control before moving to the scanning station.
Next, the mixed papaya dessert is precisely dispensed into small cups before moving to sealing.
The mixed variant is precisely dispensed into these distinct, color-coded cups before moving on to sealing. Advanced robotics ensure every carton is precisely allocated, maximizing efficiency from the warehouse receipt to final store delivery.
Once the papayas are processed and packaged, they are quickly moved to the loading bay for distribution. Here in the cold storage, the sealed boxes are stacked high on pallets, ready to be moved to the dispatch area.
Once packed, the fresh papayas are quickly moved to our refrigerated trucks, maintaining a crisp 38 degrees for optimal freshness during transit.
With the morning sun, the secured shipment leaves the factory for retail arrival.
Here is the papaya shipment, 40 cases total. Looks good, let me just sign for it.
Would you like to try our new papaya dessert? It's incredibly fresh.
Wow, that is delicious. So sweet.
I'll definitely take one.
We oversee the entire process, bringing the vibrant taste of fresh papaya directly from the farm to this exquisite dessert.
Absolutely delicious. You can taste the freshness straight from the farm.